guys, I've got my wonderful bug safari hat ready to go. I've also got some tools that I'd like to show you. So, a magnifying glass, okay, always good fun to have on a bug safari. Don't worry if you don't have one though, you can just have your really good eagle eyes ready to look. So, nice magnifying glass, a little bug pot, okay, magnifying glass on the top. However, you can use a yogurt pot or any little kind of container, okay, so a pot to put things in. And this, no, it's not a paintbrush, this is my bug persuader, okay, and this is what you can use to persuade those little bugs to crawl into your pot. Okay, some of the bugs are really small, and if we try and use our fingers, we're going to squish them. Okay, so what you need to do is use your paintbrush and gently sweep them into your pot. Okay, so your bug persuader. And the other thing I find very useful is this. Okay, a little spotter sheet, shows you all the different creatures that you might be able to find. It's double-sided and it's bilingual, okay? So this is on our RSPB webpage that you can use. So I think we're almost ready to go on a bug safari. Before we go, can you think, where should we look? Where could we look for our mini beasts and our bugs today? You could look under the rocks and the logs. You could look beneath plant pots, okay? You could look on leaves, on the tree bark, okay? What's crawling up the trees, what's under the little nooks and crannies on the bark, okay? And you can also look on walls, okay? Walls are great places, little crevices, things like to crawl inside and keep warm, okay? So they're the places you can look. Now, two things to remember, okay? Firstly, we are giants compared to these little creatures, okay? We are enormous compared to these little tiny creatures. So we need to be really, really gentle, okay? Can you show me your gentle hands? Give them a wiggle. Let's check. Nice, gentle, careful hands, okay? We need our eagle eyes, okay? So we can look and see and spot the teeny tiny creatures. And we also need to use our owl ears, okay? Because we might hear a bumblebee or hear a cricket, okay? And they will help us see them then. So let's see if we can find some mini beasts, shall we? Should we go looking? Yeah?